look down. You're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness. They tried this, but I'm too classy for your lines. When I double cups up, that's the reason that I'm like this.
Hey guys, it's Blaize, and I'm super excited because it is time for the first round of Christmas Dollar Tree finds haul high for the season. So I went, this is from two different Dollar Trees, 2 different times. So Kitty, can you please shut up? I'm trying to film. Honey, please. Please. So if you want to see what me and my mother and my sister technically picked up from Dollar Tree for the holidays, then just keep on watching. So the first couple things I'm going to show aren't technically for Christmas, it's just for winter. It's technically a kid's hat, but I don't care, I've already worn it because it's just so super cute. It is just a black beanie with the cool dude emoji on it, and I just thought that was very cool. I am a sucker for beanies. How cute. Then the other 2 things, one's for my mother, one's for my sister. We get these exact ones every single year because they are just so amazing. These are the 3-in-1 magic gloves. So they got it in black and gray. Basically, you can wear it 3 different ways. You can wear just the long regular ones, you can wear the fingerless ones, or you can wear them both together. I got mine in purple. Mine's already in my purse. These 2 are my mom and my sister's, so that goes to them. Tried to separate everything. Most of the stuff is in a gigantic box because I could not organize everything, but I tried to organize as best as I can. I'm going to be doing, as I'm filming it today, hopefully, a bedside manner where we are going to set up my mini Christmas tree that I got for my room, because I am one of those people who is like, okay, November 1st, Halloween's over, let's set up the Christmas tree. Actually, I'm more like Dante from Grandma's Boy, where I'm like, it's July, let's set up our Christmas tree.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was putting up my Christmas tree.
Dude, it's July.
I met Peter Dante in 2016 and he hugged me. I didn't even go in for a hug. He hugged me for like literally 20 seconds and it was like one of the best moments of my life. He smells beautiful and I love him. Anyway, I have always wanted like a white and gold and black Christmas tree theme, and I had one of their mini ones that was just a regular green Christmas tree. Then I saw they had a white one, so I picked this up. So this is going to be going in my room, and hopefully I'm going to be setting it up with you guys. And for it, I got this, all these things for the tree, and the tree itself are by the brand Christmas House. And I got this gold glittery topper, star topper for the tree. I got some gold balls for the tree, some gold ball ornament things for the tree. And I got these little gold sequin star kind of little ornaments for the tree. And I got these LED light set. Oh, it's in blue, I didn't even know. I like blue, so I think that will look pretty together. So these, it only comes with 10, maybe I should have gotten 2, but they are battery operated, so I'm going to put those around the tree. So that's going to be set up, hopefully, like I said, it's 3:10 a.m., so hopefully at like 8 a.m. my time or 7 a.m. my time, I'll be starting to set that up. I don't know yet. We're gonna have to figure out all the logistics in a little bit. I don't know if this is actually going to go on our tree because I saw this and this was the most beautiful ornament I've ever seen in my lifetime. And I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I want to hang it up in my room. I don't know if I want to hang it on my purse. I don't know what I want to do with it, but it is this beautiful angel wing rose gold glittery thing, and it's got white fur on it, faux fur obviously. It is just stunning and I love this so much. They had some gorgeous ornaments. They had like these lantern ones that were so beautiful and so like vintage looking, but this one, I don't know why, I'm just in love with it. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it. If you guys have any ideas, leave them in the comments down below. But yes, I'm super excited about that. Also, please ignore this. I don't know why there's fog going on here. I don't understand. But again, I picked up one last year, but I don't know where it went. But I picked up a Santa hat that's red and leopard print. As you guys know, leopard print is my favorite color. So I had to get another one for this year. So I found this and my mother liked it so much that like some of these decorations are going to be going throughout the house, but some of them are for my room and for my mother's room because we like to have decorations in our rooms. We did it for Halloween this year and we're doing it for Christmas this year. So I just really liked it. It says all is calm and all is bright on it. And it's just got this pretty background. It's like this canvas and it's just this pretty background. I really, really liked this for some reason. I don't know why. But we liked it so much, we got two of them, one for me and one for Mama Blaize. And Mama Blaize wants this to, did she say she wanted this? Yeah, she wants this one up in her room. So we got this, like, I don't even know what kind of material you would call this. I have no idea, but it's like a little frosty head that I guess is, but yeah, it's supposed to be an ornament, but she wants to hang up on her wall. So we got that. And we saw this, I don't know where we're gonna put this, if we're gonna put it downstairs or if Mama Blaize is gonna keep it. This adorable, like sparkly little penguin. He's so cute and he's just like a little statue that you just kind of just sit down. He just looks so cute and so adorable that we had to pick him up and bring him home and give him a nice home. As we got so many signs and wall decor that I don't even know what we're gonna do with all of it, but the first one we picked up is just this really cute Christmas tree. Really, really pretty. This one's probably, I don't know if Mama Blaize is keeping this or if I'm keeping this or where this is gonna go. You'll see it in future vlogs where we decide to put it, but we got that. Mama Blaize got this one. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year and it's got glitter on it and it's got Christmas trees and snow and deer on it. Very, very pretty. It's actually like kind of almost shaped like a coffin. Morbid. And we got this one. This kind of actually looks very vintage. If you guys don't know, I love antiques and vintage stuff. It's just my thing. I love them. We went to a thrift shop the other day and we got a bunch of vintage Santas, like statues to put up above the fireplace, which you will see in a vlog. They're really, really cool. So this cute frosty right here, very, very cute. And this isn't like painted. This is actually on there, like the little berries and stuff on there. Then we got Happy Holidays, and it's got glittery Sants on it. I love Santa so much. Santa is daddy. I love him. Then we got two of these like felt things. My mother loved them. We got one that is a reindeer with jingly bells on him. Hi, I want to be your friend. Then we got this adorable little elf where, let me get you all situated, my friend. Hi. So I don't know if he wants to be an elf or if he wants to be a dentist, but whatever he wants to identify as, I support him. Love wins. Then my mother told me to get this for my room because it says ho ho ho. She thinks she's funny. She's not. But I actually love this and I want to put this up in my room. So we've got Santa with a whole bag of gifts and it says ho 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 on it. So this is going to be going up in my room. I think Mama Blaize wants this in her room. It is so glittery. Every time they come out with holiday stuff, there is just a massive amounts of glitter that just falls everywhere. It's all over my bed. It's all over my pants. So we got this one that says let it snow and it's got a little snowman on it. Very jolly snowman. Happy snowman. Then we got this again to match like the other snowman, the vintage looking one. We got one that is Sans himself. So cute. Very, very cute. Then we got this ornament that is a sign that is supposed to look like an ornament that says let it snow. We got a lot of let it snows, didn't we? But it's got a jolly little snowman on there. Then we got these two that are shaped like sleds, which is really cute. It just says Merry Christmas on this, and we've got Santa petting Rudolph. Very cute. Then we have this one that says let it snow, and it's just a family of snowmen's and women's, whatever, like I said, gender equality. And then the last, I think this is the last sign we got, says have a cup of cheer. And we got this specifically to go into the kitchen because we love to have hot cocoa for this time of year. So this is going to be going in the kitchen. And for the hot cocoa, we picked out 2 mugs. Now I was going to use my Exorcist mug that I got in my horror haul for my hot chocolate this year, but it says at the bottom that it's not microwave safe, so I can't use it unless I boil it in a pot, and I'm not gonna do all that. So these are microwave safe. So we got 2 mugs. They are microwave and dishwasher safe. So we've got just a man and a lady snowman hugging on this one. Oh, they both the same one? Yeah, they're both the same. I thought they were different, but 2 of those. So that's one for Mama Blaize, one for me, because I don't think my sister even drinks hot chocolate. I'm not sure, but yes. So we got that for when we are watching our 25 days of Christmas movies and stuff, and we want to drink some hot cocoa. Go, Glen Coco. Then we got these 3 things to go outside, but the ground is too hard to put them in, so I'm thinking maybe tomorrow I'm gonna ask my dad if he can lightly use a hammer to hammer these in. I don't know if we can do that. If not, we'll figure out something to do with them, but we got a stake that is again, very happy snowman. We like happiness, don't we? A happy Sans. Look at how cute he is. And a very happy penguin with a little present. So we have those to go outside. I think we got another one that was a Christmas tree. I think it's downstairs still, but whatever. Then we got 3 snow globes, and I'm just seeing that my mom picked one that we already have, but oh well, we'll put it in a different room and have more joy there. So we got this one that says joy on it. It's got a little character that looks like Charlie Brown in Woodstock, but it's not. It's a squirrel and just like a little elf, but it kind of looks like Charlie Brown in Woodstock. Then we've got this one that says, supposed to say peace, but there's instead of an E, there's a present that's got little snowmen in it, or a snowman and his snow child. And oh, almost just broke that all over my bed. And then the last one we got says hope, but instead of an O, there's a present, and it's got Santa and a little tree and a little furry friend right there. So we picked those up to go on the fireplace. Then I think we're putting this in the kitchen is just this cute little Christmas tree to sit up like that. We love Christmas trees are my favorite decoration. I love looking at Christmas trees. So when you guys put up your Christmas trees or your holiday trees, whatever you put up, tag me in them on social media so I can see them, because I absolutely adore Christmas trees. So we got that one to go into the kitchen. Then I picked up 3 of just their white lights, which I'm gonna put near the Christmas tree in my room. I'm gonna set that up somehow around there. I love their lights. And the last 2 things that we got, I found at the last minute, and they're not Christmas related, but they're going into my sister's stocking. So Sister Blaize, I've already told her to not watch this video because I don't want her getting spoiled. These are stocking stuffers for her. They had Nickelodeon character figures, and they had Stimpy, and they had Ren. They had Ren and Stimpy, which was her favorite childhood cartoon. They had Arnold and SpongeBob and Patrick as well. I was gonna get Arnold, but I was like, I'll get him next time. But oh my God, she's gonna flip. This is just too cute. I had to get these for her. So that is everything that we picked out in the first round of this year's holiday Dollar Tree shopping experience. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more Dollar Tree hauls for the holiday time. You guys are going to be seeing them anyway, but let me know if you guys like them, and I will talk to you guys soon. And until next time, my beautiful ones, don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. And don't forget, I always do at least 1 free monthly giveaway. So I will speak to you guys soon. I love you. Stay wicked.